how to make and create beauty YouTube channel art on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account and click on create a design, search for YouTube and click on YouTube channel art. Click on it, it will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down until you find beauty YouTube channel art. Click on see all like this and choose a template here. For example, this one looks so professional, and you can change the name and the picture, and everything can be changed right here, as you can see. After you finish editing, you have to click here on share and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.